The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
And yeah, speaking of advice, do you have any advice to pass on to people that might want to be like a music teacher like yourself?
Well, it's not supposed to be easy. It is actually this difficult. It's not, especially when you first get started, because a lot of music educators are in it for life. So I got my job, my current job, I received when the woman before me retired. And that was a very difficult thing, coming into a position, being new and young and having all these ideas. And I walked into a building with a lot of grown adults who were in the middle to end of their career, who had only ever experienced one way of doing things. And so when I came in with like all my new wild ideas, they didn't want any part of that. And so that was a very difficult thing. And sometimes being a music teacher in your building can feel like you're kind of like on a deserted island, because while you have the art teacher and the PE teacher and the librarian, who are also considered encore teachers or specialists, they're not music teachers. They're not doing exactly what you're doing. So if you are getting into the music education field, have some thick skin, have a backbone. Remember that no is a complete sentence. You are not expected to walk in the footsteps of the person that was there before you, but don't go changing all the things in the first year either.